How to change travel dates on Airbnb. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can change travel dates on Airbnb. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to change travel dates on Airbnb, what you can do is you can head over to airbnb.com or you can head over to the application. You want to head over on the app or the web browser to the trip section where your reservation is listed. To do so, on the browser, you can click on this little hamburger icon. You can follow my mouse here, click on it, and you can see the trips section. You can click on trips. Now, if you have any trips here, you'll find it right here, right? You want to click on the particular trips and you can then choose change reservation option. You can then modify the dates and send a request to your host for approval. If the change impacts the price, you'll see the new total before sending the request and you'll be charged or refunded accordingly. Hope this video was helpful. This is how you can easily change travel dates on Airbnb reservation. Do like and subscribe.